How to make $1,000 a day online by doing just reselling. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. I'm going to show you and I'm going to walk you through some of the steps that I use to make more than $1,000 a day just by reselling products. Products people already have, they don't want. You buy it, you resell it, you make the money. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you right now how to make $1,000 a day online by reselling products. All right, guys. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to show you just a few different sites that I like to use to where I can go and find different products. Now, you can always go to a thrift store, a secondhand store, a Goodwill, a Salvation Army, something like that. You can go to Craigslist. You can go to Facebook. You can buy on eBay. You can buy on Amazon. There are so many places to buy products. So here's what I want you to understand. Is it doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter how much money you have. You can take that money and you can invest it into other things. Let's say you have $100. Now, the reason why I want to use the $100 as my threshold is because most people can come up with a $100 bill. Okay, they can get $100 to invest into maybe a camera, a phone, an old computer, something like that, and they can flip it and make. Let's say they take that $100, spend it on this camera. Maybe they make $100 profit off of it. Who knows? We can actually go look into this in just a second. But that's what I want you to understand is maybe you don't have $1,000 right now. You want to make $1,000 because you need it right now. Well, sell stuff. Sell stuff. It doesn't matter what it is you're selling. Just start selling stuff. Okay, that's it. So let's start looking. Okay, so let's say usually I like to look at cameras. Okay, so let's actually just look at this one anyway. So it's a Samsung. Let's click on that one. We'll copy that. Come over here to Amazon. Okay, I like to sell on Amazon. Let's do F. There we go. Which one is it? It was white. It's the white camera. It's right here. New, it's selling for $479. Being that this is not new, you're not going to get that out of it. So this person's wanting 65. Cool. 65. Let's go here. Let's go to new and used. It's selling in white. It's selling in acceptable condition for $112. Okay, a lot of these tools, these are things, if you want to know more about the tools that you see popping up on the screen, showing these different stats, you can always put down in the comment section below what it is you want to see, and I'll answer your questions. But this one right here, so used, it's selling for $112. Okay, $112 for this item. So Amazon takes their fees. Let's say you're getting like $90 out of it. Actually, this has shipping, I think. Okay, free shipping. So $112. Let's say this one you sold it for $115. You'll probably get like probably get like $85 to $90 out. But if you bought it for $65, there's only $20 to $25 in there. What if you can get this for $50? So now you can make about $40. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So this right here would be a great item. Okay, so that's just that one. Let's go back. There we go. Let's get out of here. Let's go find another one. Okay. Actually, before we go look at another one, let me show you some other things. This is an item right here. This is the DJI Osmo. It's a 4K little gimbal for your phone. This is something. Let's see. I think I found it here. Believe I found it here. There it is. It's right here. This one in Olympia, Washington. The 4K gimbal, $300. You look on Amazon or you look on eBay. Here it is right here, $335. $8 shipping. Who knows if it's in the same condition? Here's one. It's in bid for $193 right now. Has some time left. But this is what I want you to understand is you can find stuff like this. Let's say it's $300. Okay, great. Is this person negotiable? Okay. Are they negotiable? If they are, how much would they come down on their price? Maybe they'll come down to $200. If they did, and I can get it for $200, but I can sell it for $295, and I might make $60 $70 off it, why not do it, right? That's all you have to think about is all these little things that you're buying. You're buying cameras, you're buying maybe camera equipment, you could be buying shoes. Okay, let me show you something else as well. This one right here, these Nike Kobe 11s. This is not my listing, but I actually sold some of these locally. Okay, so not on eBay. I sold them on Facebook, so not on Craigslist, not on Amazon. Sold them locally. I think I had a 10 or 10 and a half. These exact ones. I bought them from, was it Nordstrom's? Or no, not Nordstrom's. Maybe it was Nordstrom's or Nordstrom Rack, or maybe it was like Burlington or something like that. Ended up picking these up for, I believe, $37, $39. So under $40, picked these up. Sold them for $115, brand new with the box. Okay, or half box. It wasn't the whole box, but brand new. Somebody bought these locally. Okay, that's just that. Here's another item. Again, this is not my listing. This one right here is this is a Canon Rebel T3i. It's an older camera. Anyway, this one right here, I ended up picking it up. I think I picked it up for like 125, I believe, off of Craigslist. Somebody that didn't want it anymore. They used it for high school or college or something like that. It was their kind of their homework camera, and they wanted to sell it. So I gave them I think it was $125 for it, and I believe I sold this on Amazon. Not eBay, but a lot of people can't sell Canon products on Amazon, so I just want to show you right here, used, pristine condition, selling for $399. Okay, stuff like that. Here's something I picked up from a Marshalls or a TJ Maxx store. This was it's a Nike Hoops Elite backpack. I picked this up not very long ago and sold it. I sold I think I picked two or three of them up, and I sold them on Amazon. So right here on Amazon, you can see there's a bunch of different prices. Let's see, you can see what they've been going. 65 for a while. They're up at 81, 88, 98. I don't remember exactly what I sold mine for, but I know I only paid $35 for them. Okay, so $35, even if I sold it for 81 like it is right now, 81 third party, even if I sold it for that, you take out Amazon's fees, I'm still making, you know what, $20-$30 off this. Yeah, about $20, $25, $30, something like that. So again, not bad, right? Let's go back over here to Facebook. Let's look at some other stuff, okay? But this is what I want you guys to understand, is that it doesn't take a lot. It doesn't take a lot to make $1,000 just by reselling products. This right here, look at this. Let's say you have some space, okay? You have some space. Here's looks like a decent size, it's a beige sofa bed, cool. So it looks like it's in decent shape. Let's say you take this, you do a little bit more cleaning it up. Maybe the legs are, you know, something's wrong with the legs, whatever it is. You clean this up a little bit, make it look nice, and you sell this locally, maybe over on Craigslist for $50, $100, okay? That's all it takes. You take a free item, you clean it up, and you resell it. Okay, here's a free shed. I wouldn't get into that because they'll probably fall apart, but you could get it. You could maybe make your money by moving it somewhere. Excuse me. So let's say nobody wants to buy it, they just want a free one. You could tell them, okay, I will move it to your house, to move it to your location. It's gonna cost you $50. As long as you're, you know, near wherever you're picking it up, you might make $50 from a half hour or an hour worth of work. Why not do that? Another tip for you guys: there are always contractors, construction companies, you know, big ones, small ones, whatever, that are taking out cabinets, and they just want to get rid of them. They want them off their job site. So you can go pick up the cabinets, repurpose them, maybe clean them up a little bit, paint them, whatever you need to do, and sell them for, you know, $10, $20 per cabinet. Okay, and you can make some money. So all you're doing, you're reselling stuff. Games is another one. You go to any yard sale, let's just click on it. Look at all these games. Now, yes, they may be older, but still, let's see if there's some good games here. There's probably some good games. A lot of the NCAA football games. I don't remember if it's 2009 or if it's 2011 or something like that. But there's one that sells really well because it's the last year they ran the NCAA football. Okay, so, and this last year they had it. So that one sells extremely well. But yeah, all you gotta do, look at some of these games, go to yard sale. Some of these people will sell these for $1, $2, $5. You pick them up, maybe they have scratches on them, they're not working very well. That's something that you can do, like, well, it's all scratched up, I don't know if it's gonna work. And maybe all you gotta do, take those to GameStop, have them cleaned up. There's other stores that do it as well. Take them to GameStop or whatever, or maybe you buy your own, you know, resurfacer, your CD, you know, cleaner, whatever. scratch remover, and you just clean it up. Okay, so by doing that, you could just keep repurposing this thing, and you could clean up all these games and sell them for a lot more because you only got them for 50 cents or $1 because you had the fact that you don't know if they work. So people will go down at yard sales because of that. Okay, again, this is just Facebook right here. Where's Craigslist? Here's Craigslist. So let's go back. Let's do toys and games. Toys and games. Okay, let's see if we can find anything. This right here, these 2 Nerf Stampedes. Let me show you something. Let's see. Let's go back to Amazon. Nerf Stampede. Here it is. Was it this one? Where's that? Right here. Looks like same one. I actually have a bunch of these. Sold some too. So this one right here. Look at that. Selling brand new, $249.95. You look at the used ones. They're actually collectible because it's a toy. Right here. So for $34.99 plus $11 shipping, the shipping cost. So you can make about. No shield, comes with 1 6-dart clip, no darts included, signs of use, no batteries, original box or manual, gun and clip only. Okay, they're selling it for $35. What did this person want? $60. You can probably come down. Does not come with darts or magazines. Okay, you want to come down? Say give them, $40 for the 2. Okay, you're not gonna be able to make a lot off of it because where'd that listing go? There we are. You're not gonna be able to make a lot off it just because it's not selling for a lot. But still, that's the whole point. I want you to get to thinking that it's not just electronics or tools or something like that. You can sell games. You can sell new games. You can sell old games. You can sell collector's editions. Beanie Babies. I wouldn't get into that. You could. There's people making a decent amount of money off that. Let's see this one right here. Let's see if we can find it right here. What's the set number? 4133. Let's type that in. This is all you gotta do. Okay. This is all you have to do. Right here. They're all new for $57.98. That's including shipping. So this looks like it's probably used. Okay, obviously it's used. You can see the packaging. You can see the different items out. So if this was new and someone was selling it for $30, I'd pick this up because you can make some money off it. Okay, the reviews aren't great, but you can still make. Well, the ranking isn't great either, but you can still make some money. But that's what I want you guys to understand. Okay, I wouldn't get into anything like this. You get in high-end luxury. You could get yourself in trouble there. But just be careful with what it is that you buy. But get out there and find stuff because honestly, it doesn't take much. Everybody wants to know, how do I make $100? Well, don't worry about just making $100. Get to $1,000. Get to $1,000 a day because it does not take a lot. If you know how to do anything, you know how to. Let's say you like shoes. Okay, buy shoes. Say you like electronics, buy electronics. Maybe you know how to fix monitors or TVs or something like that. Buy those. Okay, I sell stuff. I even sell cars. Most people don't know that. I will buy and flip cars, and I do this because there's a lot of money in it. You buy a car. Let's say you bought this one for $1,300, or let's say $1,000. Maybe you do some slight tweaks to it. You do some little modifications, make it look a little bit better. It's running better, has a better paint job, whatever it is. You fix a cracked windshield, and you flip it for $2,500. Okay, and so you make an extra $1,500, and you got your fees and taxes and all that stuff. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is you can continue to make money. That's the whole point. That's what I want you guys to understand is if you want to make $1,000 a day and you want to do this online, you can do this by reselling stuff. It doesn't matter what it is. You can find it for, let's say you can find it, okay? Let's say you buy this mower, okay? Here's a tip for you guys. If you want to make money with mowers and snow blowers, buy snow blowers when it's springtime. Buy mowers in the fall, at the end of fall, right before it snows, if it snows in your area. because mowers are going to go on sale. Okay, they're going to go on sale. They're going to be very cheap. You might find a $300-$400 lawnmower for $100-$150. You buy it in the fall, you hold it for the wintertime, and then you flip it in the springtime for $300. So you got this $400 mower you bought for $150, and you're going to sell it for $300. You're going to make $150 by taking this exact item and listing it right here on Craigslist, listing it back on Facebook. That's all you have to do, okay? So if you guys have questions on this, let me know. But like I said, you can make $1,000 a day by reselling items. You can sell on Facebook, you can sell on Craigslist, you can sell on OfferUp, on different apps, you can sell on Amazon, eBay, wherever you want to sell. You just have to get the inventory, list it, and then make your money off that. So the best way to do that, like I said, get out there, buy stuff that you know. Okay, number one, buy stuff that you know. Number two, make sure you have some wiggle room. Make sure that if the item doesn't sell quickly, you still have money to go and buy other products. So maybe you're starting with $100. Okay, great. Don't spend that $100 on one item if you can avoid it. Take that $100 and split it into two different transactions. $50 here, $50 here. You do that because if one item doesn't sell, at least you have $50 that you can keep moving, keep bumping it up, and keep selling that one item, or keep flipping that into something else. Okay, and then if this item, let's say it's not selling for 60 like you need it to, or 100 or whatever it is, you move the price down, keep moving it down. Even if you have to lose money, you need to flip those items as fast as possible so you can get all your money out and then turn that back into something else. So hopefully this video helped you out. Again, I know some people don't like reselling, but it is a great business to get into. So again, hopefully you like this video. If you are a reseller, okay, hit that thumbs up, but also in the comment section below, what is the one item that you absolutely love to buy and sell? For me, I love to buy and sell used cameras. Why? Because I love to play with them. I love to just use them. Love to test out their different features. See if maybe I like that camera better than the ones I have now. That's one of the reasons why I love it. And it's something that I have a passion for. It's something that I just love to do. Get out there with my kids and my wife. Go to pawn shops. Go to yard sales. Go look on Facebook, on Craigslist, wherever. And just go find these different deals because they're everywhere. Honestly are. Like I said, go to Facebook Marketplace, go to Craigslist, go to eBay, go to Amazon, okay, go to different apps like OfferUp and see what they have that you can flip on a different platform. There's been cases where I've even bought stuff on Amazon and I resell it back on Amazon. I've bought stuff on eBay in the past and I've sold it back on eBay and made money off this stuff. So is it possible to do? Yes, it is, but you have to get out there and do it. So again, if you guys have any questions on how this works, how you can make $1,000 online by reselling, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Like I said, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, want more videos on this topic of reselling, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.